Hello, good morning. So welcome back on my YouTube channel Math Mental. So today we are going to discuss the important graph of trigonometric function, that is fifth number, y is equal to sec x. So y is equal to sec x is nothing but y is equal to secant x. Sec is a short name of secant. जैसे कोटैंजेंट का cot है, tangent का tan है, cos का cosine का cos है, sin का सिर्फ sin है. Okay. So let us see y is equal to sec x, secant x. So to draw a graph, we have to take some values of x. So these are the values of x. So this x is an angle measured in radian, minus 2 pi to plus 2 pi. So for getting the values of y, we have to find the values of y to the corresponding different values of x. So x is this. So one by one value find करेंगे sec x के. First 0 start करेंगे sec 0. Cos 0 is 1, that's why sec 0 is also 1. Cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, sec pi by 4 is root 2. Sec pi by 2, sec pi by 2 is 1 by cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is 0, so that's why 1 by 0 is infinity. So this term is infinity. Now we have to find sec 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 means 135 degree. So it is a pi minus pi by 4. 180 minus 45, that is 135. So this is a 180 minus theta in second quadrant. Sec is negative, sec is minus sec pi by 4. So it is minus root 2. Now sec pi, 1 by cos pi, it is minus 1. Sec of 5 pi by 4. Sec of 5 pi by 4, it is a sec of pi plus pi by 4. 180 plus 45 degree, 180 plus 45 degree, it is 225 degree. So this is a quadrant number third. In quadrant number third, sec is negative. Quadrant number third में sec negative होता है, third quadrant में. So minus sec pi by 4. So it is a minus 1. माइनस रूट 2. सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में सेक नेगेटिव होता है, माइनस सेक पाई बाय 4. सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट 180 माइनस, सेकंड में साइन पॉजिटिव. थर्ड में भी सेक नेगेटिव होता है, इट इज माइनस, करेक्ट है, सेक 3 पाई बाय 2, 270 डिग्री. सो इट इज 270 डिग्री मीन्स 180 प्लस पाई बाय 2. सो सेक पाई बाय 2, sec pi by 2, 180, it is minus sec pi by 2, 180 plus theta minus sec pi by 2, minus infinity. So this is minus infinity. Now sec of 7 pi by 4, sec of 7 pi by 4, 2 pi minus pi by 4. So 360 minus 45 degree, 360 minus 45 degree is 315 degree. So this will be in the fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, sec is positive, sec pi by 4, it is root 2. This is root 2. 2 pi, sec of 2 pi. So it is a cos 1 upon cos of 2 pi. Cos 2 pi की value 1 होती है. So 1 by 1 is 1. Got it. So this about all the positive angles for sec. So now what about the negative angle for sec? Sec of minus theta is equal to sec theta. So cos and sec को negative angle का कोई इफेक्ट नहीं होता, that becomes sec of minus theta is sec theta. So exactly यही वैल्यू इधर आ जाएंगे. Sec of minus pi by 4 is exactly sec pi by 4 root 2. This is infinity. Minus root 2. minus 1 minus root 2 minus infinity plus root 2 plus 1. So this is a sec x. Y is equal to sec x. Now by using this table we can draw very easily the graph of this curve y is equal to sec x. So actual this is a trigonometric function, sin x, cos x, tan x, cot x, sec x and cosec x. To draw a graph of this curve, we have to need the two-dimensional geometry. So this is y-axis, vertical line is y-axis, which intersect with this horizontal line. This is +1 +2 -1 -2, intersection point 0 1 A2 -1 -2. This is π/4 π/2 3 π/4. उसके बाद पाई 5 π/4 3 π/2 7 π/4 and this is 2 pi. All the concept of regarding the trigonometric function sec x. So this graph is very useful. We can define the domain and range of this curve. Okay. Now here same in the left hand side, it is a minus π/4 minus π/2 minus pi minus 3 π/4 minus 3 π/4, then π/2 के बाद 3 π/4, then pi, then 5 π/4, उसके बाद 3 π/2, 7 π/4, this is minus 2 pi. Okay, so be careful. So हर एक इसके लिए important है. By using this graph we can define all the concept regarding y is equal to sec x. So start from 0. So यहाँ पर ये π/2 3 π/2, ये minus 3 π/2 minus π/2, ये सब 0 है. So यहाँ पर π/2 not defined, 3 π/2 not defined, minus π/2 not defined, minus 3 π/2 not defined. So not defined, so this we have to dotted lines. So this is a not defined, the curve is not defined. Okay, this dotted line means what? This where this point the function y is equal to sec x is not defined. Okay, now what about sec 0? Sec 0 is 1, so sec 0 is 1, so we can draw here point. Sec π/4 is √2. √2 means this, the value of √2 here we can consider it is √2. The value of √2 is 1.414. It is √2 minus √2. Okay, 1 √2, उसके बाद 3 π/4 minus √2, cos pi is -1, cos 5 π/4 is minus √2. Just observe this here, 7 π/4 is √2, √2 here, √2, 2 pi is 1, so here is 1, come to here, minus pi by 4 is root 2, here is root 2, got it? Minus 3 pi by 4, minus 3 pi by 4 is minus root 2, minus root 2, minus 1 is here, थोड़ा पॉइंट मिसमैच नहीं होना चाहिए, ये यहाँ पर है, ये यहाँ पर है, यहाँ पर दूसरा आएगा, ठीक है। माइनस 7 पाई बाय 4 को प्लस रूट 2 है, सो प्लस रूट 2 इज दिस, माइनस 2 पाई को प्लस 1 है, प्लस 1 इज दिस, ओके। जस्ट प्लेस द पॉइंट, now we have to join this point, so यहां से स्टार्ट करेंगे, थोड़ा ऐसा कर्व है, ऐसा कर्व आना चाहिए, ये कर्व ऐसा है, अब ये इधर ऐसा आएगा, ये भी ऐसा आएगा। दिस इज द कर्व ऑफ y, दिस इज द कर्व ऑफ y is equal to sec x. So by using this graph, just observe it and remember the point regarding this y is equal to sec x. This is curve is does not passing through the origin. So first point, curve does not passing थ्रू ओरिजिन, ये ओरिजिन से पास नहीं होता, कर्व इज डिसकंटिन्यूअस, कर्व इज डिसकंटिन्यूअस वेयर एट माइनस 3 पाई बाय 2, माइनस पाई बाय 2, प्लस पाई बाय 2, plus 3 pi by 2 and so on. So this is here curve is not defined, means curve is discontinuous, यहाँ पे curve break होता है, so continuous नहीं, यहाँ पे breaked है, so that's it, discontinuous. And the important third point, curve does not lies between -1 and +1. ये जो -1 और +1 के बीच में कर्व नहीं है, यहां पर कर्व का कोई भी पोर्शन नहीं है, सो दिस इज द पोर्शन वेयर कर्व इज नॉट, यहाँ पर कर्व नहीं है. What are that point? -1 to +1. The most important, we have to define domain and range. What is domain and range? So here minus infinity plus infinity के बीच में सब वैल्यू है, so it is minus infinity to plus infinity, that is R, except यहाँ पर ऐसा नहीं, एक्सेप्ट आर ही है, एक्सेप्ट -1 एंड +1, -1 एंड +1 ओपन इंटरवल करेंगे यहाँ पर, क्यों? बिकॉज -1 भी है और +1 भी है. सो दिस इज द रेंज. एंड डोमेन, डोमेन इज ऑल्सो, डोमेन मीन्स वैल्यूज ऑफ आर, वैल्यूज ऑफ एक्स, दैट इज कॉल्ड डोमेन. सेट ऑफ रियल नंबर ही है वो, लेकिन यहां पर क्या है, सम पॉइंट्स वेयर द फंक्शन इज नॉट डिफाइंड, -3 π/2, -π/2, +π/2, +3 π/2. इट मीन्स एक्सेप्ट 2n-1 into π/2 such that n belongs to I. So this is the domain and range. So domain and range, this is very very important of this curve y is equal to sec x. By using graph we can really easily understand these two concepts and these 3 points. Curve does not passing through the origin. Curve is discontinuous. यहाँ पर curve discontinuous है. Which are that points? -3 π/2, -π/2, +π/2, +3 π/2. And the most important, this portion curve is not lies here. Curve does not lies between -1 and +1. Okay, so this is all about the curve y is equal to secant x, that is y is equal to sec x. Okay, stay tuned on YouTube channel Mathmental. We will see the next graph of the function y is equal to cosec x, cosecant x. Thank you.